Okay, so choosing your power of attorney for property or power of attorney for personal care. Who do you choose to be your attorney? Who do you choose to give this position of power to? My name is Mallory, and today we're going to talk about life, death, and everything in between. But really, you could get hit by a bus walking outside 5 minutes from now, no matter what age you are, and become incapacitated and need someone to step into these roles. If you're legally married or in a common law relationship, you sort of have a built-in person there, right? Great. But let's say you're divorced or widowed or single in some way. Who do you choose and why? Also, even if you are in a relationship and you choose that person to be in that position for you, you still need to name a secondary option. I'm 39 and my husband is named as my attorney for property and personal care if I find myself incapacitated. And then I named someone else of my same generation to be the secondary option. So for instance, if my husband and I were both in a car crash and he was incapacitated or died and I was still alive but incapacitated, this other person would step in and help to manage things in the meantime until I was well. The reason I don't want someone to choose someone in their own generation unless it is their spouse is because there is just categorically a higher likelihood that they could find themselves incapacitated or dead. So if you have children, great, you have some built-in options there. If you don't have children, you need to start looking at nieces and nephews, at your best friend's kids. Make sure you're reaching out to us at ViV, to an estate planning lawyer, to your financial advisor, someone who knows your estate pretty well and can have a really good, honest conversation with you about who would be best in these positions of power. Bottom line, you need to make the choice that is best for you and best for your family, but you also need to think strategically about it. Pick the person who's right for the role, not the person who's going to be happy doing it necessarily. Also, think about the generations. Think about the age of the person you're picking and think about their own health and well-being and ability to take on the role. Bye, everyone.